Hello, my name is Keith Eberhardt with Samsung, and I'm coming to you here at the TD SYNNEX InVision 25 event. I have a couple products that I'd like to talk to you about today. One is a brand new product, our new 115-inch digital signage display, which is the QH115FX. It's starting to ship at the end of this month. It's a 115-inch display, which is actually thinner than our current 98-inch at only 34.1 millimeters thick. And the beauty of this device is 24/7 rated. It has an anti-glare coating on it, so it can be used in a lot of different scenarios where there could be a lot of natural lighting causing a lot of glare, so like in a meeting room or a public space. It's also large enough to essentially replace a 2x2 video wall solution at a much more affordable rate. Another thing that I would like to talk about is on the left side of our screen here, which I'll play a little video while I'm talking about it, but it's highlighting our all-in-one indoor LED solution. So Samsung was one of the first to come out with this, where it actually is a true LED solution that is all in one box. So meaning it doesn't ship in a bunch of different containers, it all comes in one box, and two people can put this thing together in a couple hours. So it's pretty remarkable when you look at the industry in LED, where it typically takes, a team of people and it takes a few hours to do this, maybe a day. Two people can put these things together in about 2 hours. So it's really incredible, and it's really changing the way that we think about indoor LED products today. Outside of that, if any questions about Samsung products, please visit our website at samsung.com, and thanks for stopping by.